What's going on, guys? Gabriel from Basic Car Guys here, and today I'm reporting straight from the shower in my bedroom. Now today I don't have like a major video or anything like that. I don't even know how long it's gonna be. Hopefully like a 10-minute video or less. But I just recently put in an order from Detailed Image, and it's come in. So today is April 5th, and I put this order in on I believe it was April 1st, like at midnight. So I mean, come on, like 4 days, like that's amazing. So shout out to Detailed Image. That's why I rock their stuff. That's why I order from them, because they have amazing shipping and great prices and just a great selection. There are some things that I wish were on there, but nonetheless, a majority of the stuff that I want is on the site. So if you haven't already, go ahead and check it out. I'm gonna go ahead and put a link in the description down below, and you can check them out and subscribe to their newsletter. They always have daily deals. This is not a paid promotion. I just really like the website. So we're gonna go ahead and get into what I ordered. Alright, so here's the package. It's packaged up very nice. You can see there there is my name and all that. So if you notice on here, it says like the ship date, and it was shipped can't focus, but April 2nd. So 3-day shipping. That was awesome. So typically anyway, I like to grab this pen and like poke holes, and then yeah, that's usually how I open boxes with pen tips. So oops. There we go. So, as you can see, they use the peanuts. I know a lot of people don't like them, but I don't care. So, what do we have here today? So, first off, we have some triggers. So, voila. Here's another trigger. Oh, look at this. This is a one of those pet hair brushes. So this is supposed to pick up pet hair and all that. You know, you just like that, and then like the electrostatic, the electrostatic charge or whatever picks it up, and then you can pull it and all that stuff. So that's one thing. Another trigger. Another trigger. I have a lot of triggers, huh? Can never have too many. Yeah, I have this little baggie. So what I ordered from Detailed Image was actually a it's called a interior brush kit. So I got a bunch of brushes for interior and stuff like that I'm gonna try to use. I'm really liking the idea of using the brush. Now I already have one of these. This is a leather and vinyl brush. These are super cool. They're not really like soft bristle or whatever, but they are like stiff bristled, and then they have some other little bristles in there, so it gets into the grains just a little bit better than if you were to use some other type of brush or something. So this is pretty good. I don't know exactly what material it is, but it is a great brush, and it never hurts to have more than one brush. This one is a boar's hair, I think. Boar's hair angled brush. Super soft brush. The quality feels pretty decent, pretty good for the price. So there's that brush. That feels good. There is one of these boar hair brushes as well. I think this is a boar's hair. I don't think it is. Never mind. But this, I already have one of these, but they're metal, and I mean, mine's are over 6 years old that I bought from Chemical Guys. So they have different ones. The ones that I have are like metal. This feels like, I mean, the other ones that I have are like, the thing here is metal, and then this bottom part is like wood, and this one's like plastic with wood, and then the it's like plastic wood or something, like plastic and then plastic wood or something, and then these are soft. So these are awesome to have as well, so you can lather up hard to reach places or vents or something like that. this for sure is a boar's hair brush. I think this is the 1-inch diameter one. They have a 1.25, but this one's a 1-inch, so this one looks great. Feels pretty good. It feels like mid. Like this one's a little bit softer than this, but it feels pretty good too. It's all plastic, and it has like little things in the grip, so like they feel pretty good. I also bought this one. This one looks like a vinyl brush or something. This one's stiff bristled for sure. So this, I'm imagining it's for carpet, hard to reach areas, or like the cracks in between seats. You can hear the stiffness. So this one's pretty stiff. This one, I don't know what this one is. This one's pretty stiff also. This one looks like it's for hard to reach areas with plastic, so it wouldn't scratch up anything. But yeah, it's pretty stiff. And looks like the last one, this one's not as stiff as the other ones. I think this one's, I'd say the pink one is the hardest. This one's like kind of in the middle, and this one's just a little bit less than that. So these are like hard to reach brushes type of deals. I bought 3 microfiber applicator pads for various applications of either wax or sealant or something. I bought the Gtechniq W6 Iron and General Fallout Remover. Now, I've been following some guy on Instagram. I think his Instagram is like Shine Doctor, and he always has like cool videos or like cool pics of him cleaning up the wheels, and I think this is what he uses if I remember. But I've also read up on Gtechniq, and they have great products. So this looks like it might be pretty awesome to use. 500 milliliters. It was kind of pricey for the size or whatever, because you can get, you know, like a Meguiar's or something for like way cheaper. But that's why we're buying stuff, so we can test it out and we can just see what we want to use, or what I want to use for the channel. Alright, so then I also have, this is one of the things that I'm starting to get into. So CarPro, I'm really getting into their products. They're doing essentially very, excuse me, they're like, their product line is amazing. I love using CarPro products. They are kind of pricey, but they are really worth it. This is Hydro 2 Light Wipe-less Silica Spray. You don't have to dilute this, I believe. It's ready to go. Pretty much it's a spray on sealant. Spray on. You literally just wash your car, shake this, and then apply, and then rinse it right off, and do it over the entire car, and then that's it. So I've been wanting to try that out. It is in the pricey range, but let's see if it's worth it. Like, these two are pretty pricey. Another brush. Forgot about this one. This one's a carpet brush, interior carpet brush. So it's got this cool handle to like get in there and all that. So I have some of these, but they're like wide, and then they're like that, and I used them for tires a while back. So yeah. So I have another one, but this one feels a little bit better. I guess you can pick something like this up at a dollar store or something. I don't know, but we got that. Another brush. This says it just says upholstery brush, but it's got a part number on there. So let's see what this one is. Again, I bought the kit, so yeah, okay, I like this one. I have one of these already. This one's awesome for carpets that are kind of soft or whatever. So I'm guessing like this is for like your harder carpets, like the newer cars, like the Toyotas, like where it's like this weird carpet thing. I don't know, we all hate it. But this is for like old school carpets and just general cleanup. I like this. I have one of these already. I really love these brushes, so I'm glad to have another one. So shut up. I bought a Meguiar's dispenser bottle, and I'll show you here in a minute why. This is a 16 ounce. It says it's a wash, like self-washing or whatever that means. This one, they stated that they specifically made it for like not that it's specific for it, but you can use it for like polishes and stuff like that. So you know, it's got this tip. I like these tips because you literally just pull this up. I don't know, it's not focusing. Man, hold on. Alright, there we go. So it's got these tips where pretty much you just lift this up and then you squeeze and then apply it. But we're going to use this for something else that I'll show you in a minute. There's that. Is another Meguiar's bottle for the super degreaser. An empty super degreaser bottle. So yeah, I like those bottles. Another bottle for the all-purpose cleaner. So this one, these are color coded specific for their use or whatever. So that I really like that. Now this one was really expensive, but I'm willing to try this out, and I'm hoping that this is going to be a great asset. Now this here is another product by CarPro. This here is their Seaquartz line. So this is the Seaquartz fabric water and stain resistant semi-permanent coat. Now this is for the interiors. This is for like carpets and stuff like that. If you haven't already checked out a video on this stuff is amazing. The problem I'm having is I like wearing shoes that have that are meshy, and what happens is when I'm washing cars, it gets in through my sock, and that's my biggest pet peeve, is freaking wet socks. I freaking hate wet socks. So yeah, like shoes like this, like you see it's kind of like mesh right here, and they're like breathable, so water gets in there, and then like wet socks, and it's like the worst thing. So yeah. So I bought that to pretty much buy new shoes, spray the Seaquartz stuff on it, and then hopefully that eliminates that. Now this here, I've been wanting to try this for a minute as well. It's not really on the pricey side, but it's pricier than what I usually buy, like $2. This is the Optimum Car Wash. So I've already so I already use Optimum no rinse on the door jambs, but I want to see what this is like. Supposedly this stuff smells amazing, and also that it's like really strong. So we're gonna, I don't think it's as strong as like their power cleaner or something like that, but they say it smells good and all that. So let me smell it real quick. I don't know. Okay, so it's weird. A long time ago I used to pick my cleaning products just based on their smell, so that's a weird fact, but yeah, I guess it's okay. I'm used to the Chemical Guys citrus washing gloss. I really like that one. I've been using that for years and years. So let me just move into this empty. So there's nothing in there. Okay, cool. So the last couple things that I have are the all-purpose cleaner. So I've been spending a lot of money on the Meguiar's Quick Interior Cleaner, and they don't make it in a gallon. And I really like it, so I was suggested to use the all-purpose cleaner. This now I bought the quote-unquote kit that that they sell on Detailed Image. It's like $2 or $3 more than just buying this alone, but these bottles are worth it, and I'll show you why. If you haven't already, if you don't use the Meguiar's detailer line, or you haven't read up on them, they are diluting, like you can dilute anything. Like this is dilutable, the wheel cleaner is dilutable, stuff like that. So this one I bought because I want to do interiors on the cheap. You know, I'm spending about $8 every like 16 ounces or something like that for the quick detailer, but this one is like a gallon, and you can dilute this. So it's got different dilution ratios, obviously, that they can tell you that it's, you know, it tells you on the back here, use 4-to-1 for heavy strength or 10-to-1 for medium. Someone said you can go as far as 20-to-1, but they wouldn't dilute it more than that. Now these bottles are awesome because it's got your dilution it's got your dilution thing on here. So, you know, you would fill it up with 4 parts to 1 and or like 10 to 1. So, you know, it gives you a good reading of where you need to fill it up, so you're not overfilling or you're not messing up the ratio. So that's pretty cool, and that's why I decided to go with the APC from Meguiar's. So yeah, so I use that. Shout out to Meguiar's for making their detailer line. It's just an amazing line. And then we went ahead and ordered the super degreaser. Now this one has so many different uses. You can dilute this one pretty heavy too, 4 to 1 for heavy or 10 to 1 for medium. So this one's awesome. And then I have the bottle for it. So we're gonna try this out. I've actually never tried these personally, but I'm gonna go ahead and use them and then tell you my my thoughts on it. So then I'm gonna just make sure nothing else is left behind. Peanuts are so annoying once they're everywhere, but nah. Alrighty. See, I didn't even, yeah. Alrighty, so yeah, we went ahead and pretty much ordered, now this is for that. These two are obviously for these, and this one is for the CarPro Hydro 2 Light. So I'm excited to use them. Got a bunch of interior brushes to help me with jobs and all that. So yeah, if you guys aren't already following my detailing page, go ahead and follow now. We're just pretty much getting amped, getting started. Just follow along, you guys. And if you guys are actually in the Houston, Texas area and you want me to detail your car or whatever, hit me up. Link is in the bio to my Instagram, so you can get my contact information and all that. But yeah, so if you guys have any questions on this stuff, shoot a comment or whatever, and I'll try to get back to you. But thank you guys for watching, and if you guys have any questions, again, just leave them down below. Y'all have a great night.